Guys, what's up? Hope you are doing well. For those who are new to my channel, hello, my name is Surbhi Sinha and I would be really happy if you take a moment and subscribe to my channel below. Also, do not forget to press the bell icon so that you are notified whenever there's a new video up on my channel. So without any further ado, I will quickly explain whatever I am going to talk about in this video. So this video is going a random vlog that I thought about of help, which would be a help to you guys. So this is a very random video and it is not very planned. Usually I have decided to post videos every month on 20th on my channel, but then I have been seeing people struggling to get their vaccination slots and everything. So I thought, why not make a video which will be of help to you guys, and you can easily help your friends and family with this video. And you just need to do some few steps. Maybe many of you are already aware of this system, but for those who don't know it yet, you can quickly follow the steps and get your slots booked as soon as possible and get your vaccinations done. I have booked my slot for tomorrow. I will be quickly showing you that also. It will be a normal vlog, so I will be showing you guys. It will be in 3 parts of 3 days. It will be a pre, which is today. Tomorrow is my vaccination day. I will shoot if possible in the hospital as well and show you guys what's the update out there, how's the crowd, how's the process, how's the everything going on, the process and everything. And the day after tomorrow, I will show you guys how my symptoms are after the vaccination, because I have heard a lot of people suffering from body ache and fever. So I will update you guys on that as well. So without any further ado, let's get started into the video. So I will be attaching my screen in the video as well. So please follow the steps accordingly. So all you need to do is open Play Store and search Telegram over there. So search the Telegram app out there. Download the Telegram app. So it's taking a bit of time to get downloaded. As soon as the Telegram app gets downloaded, open the Telegram app and you will see there is an option of filling up your name, your phone number, your country. So fill in that and you will get a call immediately. So don't pick up that call. You get that call, it will be a missed call of a few seconds. Get that call done and you will be verified to the Telegram account. And after that, what you need to do is open Google Chrome, search for www.under45.in. So over there you will see the first link that's there. So tap on that. Over there you will see a Telegram alerts written and age group is there, 18 to 44. You need to select the state and the district according to your district and your state. Select it accordingly. I will select according to mine and I will show you guys how to do it. There is this written on U45 as according to me, under 45 under district, and there is a group. So all you need to do is that tap on the group, join the group. As soon as you join the group, you will keep on getting the notifications about whenever there is a slot open. And the hospitals, what they do is like they start opening the slots in a regular basis, like day-to-day basis. They open slots for maybe tomorrow and day after tomorrow. Again, they'll open the slots tomorrow for the next day and so on. So you will get the updates as soon as possible. As soon as the slots open, you will get the notification out in the Telegram app, and from the link out there, you can totally do it as soon as possible, and first come first serve basis is there. So as fast as you can do it, get your slots booked. And the same process you need to follow for the above 45 as well. So if you are looking for your parents or your grandparents, you can totally do the same process. You can go to Chrome again, search for www.above45.in and you will get the thing out there. The first link, you tap on that link, you need to select your state, you need to select your district and you will get the group. Join join in that group and you will be done, and there will be an option of muting the group. Please don't mute the group, otherwise whenever there is a new notification you will always get the notification, but then you will not be alerted, so it will be of no use basically. So make sure you don't mute the group, and whenever there is a new notification you stay updated about it and do as soon as possible. So that's it for this vlog. I will update you guys tomorrow as I will be going for my vaccination. I will show you as much as possible and as much as allowed in the hospital to show you guys. I will vlog it all out to make it an easy process for you guys. So stay tuned and keep watching. Bye bye. Hey guys, so my vaccination process is done. I am done with my vaccination process, and sorry I could not take any photographs, so I cannot attach any photographs in the video, but because the process was really very fast, to be very honest. I was done within seconds, and by the time I could have been clicked by my mom, I was already done with my vaccination. Though I clicked her picture, but then my picture could not be taken, so I will try to take the picture in the next vaccination dose, which will be after, I don't know, so many days. But then so far so good. The process, the management, the staff, everything was very organized and very helpful. The thing was very nicely done. The vaccination process was very good and very quick, and we did not have to wait a long time. The tokens were given soon, and people were called very fast. The payment was done fast, so everything was well behaved in an organized manner. And till now I am not having any kind of symptoms, that is fever or body ache or any kind of symptom. It's been 1 or 2 hours since I returned home, but then so far I am very good. I am not having anything, just the hand in which I took my vaccine. This is the left hand, so this hand is a bit heavy as compared to my other hand, so it's feeling a bit heavy, that's it. But then other than that I am not having any issues, and I will keep you guys updated accordingly, whatever happens at what time. So till then, so please stay tuned and keep watching. So hey guys, this is the next day of my vaccine, and it's 10 a.m. in the morning and I am having high fever. Yes guys, I am having high fever and my body is aching very badly. I am having a very bad headache from last night only. I am having a very bad headache, and you can see my face is so oily. It's not oily, it's the Vicks that I have applied on my face, like on my head continuously again and again, because I feel for me Vicks is my life-saving thing. Be it be I am having a fever or I am having a headache, I am having a cold, whatever it is, I just trust Vicks blindly. It's like one of the things I cannot live without. It's like that. So coming back to the symptoms, I am having a very bad body ache. My hand is swollen up, as you can see. I think my hand is swollen up. I cannot move my hand a lot. It's very heavy and it's very painful to move my hand, and I am having high fever as well. I was suggested to take paracetamols after if I have fever. So I took a paracetamol last night and I will be having my breakfast, and then accordingly I will be taking it if I still have fever on. And on top of that, I am even suffering from loose motion. So I don't know what to say to that. It's too much. I am not being able to do anything. I am just lying on the bed continuously. Straight away I am having backache because of lying on the bed for so long, but then can't help, anyways tolerating it. But then you can see by my face that I am already very exhausted and I feel terrible. This pain is just terrible. I cannot even sleep because of the pain and everything. So that's it for the symptom. I hope you guys liked this video, and I hope this would be a help for all of you guys, those who are watching me. And please take your vaccinations as soon as possible. Please take your vaccinations on time. Trust me, this pain is just temporary for 2 days, but that if you get COVID, it's going to be painful, more painful than this, and that will not be tolerable. So please guys, go and get vaccinated as soon as possible. Your friends and families, make them aware of the fact that it is so important for our health, for our family's health. So please go and get yourself vaccinated as soon as possible. So that's it for today. I hope you guys like this video. If you do, then please hit the like button and comment what are your experiences and how is this video help for you guys. I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, stay safe. Tata. Bye bye.